Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be going over the basics of the Robinhood app and explaining how you can start buying and selling stocks on Robinhood for beginners. And it's actually a lot easier than you might think, so be sure to stick around. But before we get into any of that, as always, be sure to smash the like button down below. I would very much appreciate it. Also, if you'd like to see weekly videos on finance and investing, then be sure to subscribe. But anyways, let's get into the video. So the first thing that you need to do before you do anything else is you actually need to open up a brokerage account on Robinhood. And it will only take a couple of minutes to do this. All you need is your social security number, a mobile device, and your bank information so that you can actually link up your account, which is what allows you to buy and sell the stocks. And if you don't want to link up your bank account right now while you're setting it up, you can always skip it and come back to it later. And an amazing thing about Robinhood is that they don't even charge you anything for setting up your account or maintaining your account. They don't even charge you for any of the trading of stocks. But they do offer a Robinhood Gold service for just $10 per month, which will give you additional features like larger deposit amounts and after-hours trading. So to set up your account, all you need to do is visit Robinhood either through a mobile device or on a computer, and then you'll have to give them a little bit of information like your name and email, and then obviously you will have to set up a username and a password. But keep in mind that even though you can create an account on the computer, all of the trading will have to be done using the app, though you can still sign into a computer and look at your portfolio whenever you would like. Now onto how you can actually buy stocks using Robinhood. So the first thing that you are going to want to do is find a stock that you would like to buy and then find its details page. And in this one, I'm using the Apple Hospitality REIT for an example, which is just a REIT that owns some upscale hotels. But anyways, once you find a stock that you would like to buy and get to its details page, you will just click buy, then select your order type and then choose the amount of shares that you would like to buy. Then just confirm your order and swipe up to submit it. A good thing to check before you buy shares is to see if the stock you are deciding to invest in pays out dividends. And dividends are a fantastic way to earn some passive income because all you have to do is buy the stock and then you will get money for just having it. And if you don't know what dividends are or you would like to get a more basic understanding of them, then be sure to check out my video on dividend investing for beginners, which will pop up in the corner of the screen right about now, or it will be in the description box below. So that is how you buy stocks on Robinhood, and now let's talk about how you sell stocks on Robinhood. And this is very similar to the way you buy stocks, so the steps are almost the same. So what you do first is just like the last time. You go to the stock's details page, you click trade, but this time instead of clicking buy, you are going to want to click sell. And the rest of the steps are just the same. You select your preferred order type, you confirm your order, and then you swipe up to submit your order. And that is how you buy and sell stocks on the Robinhood app. If you liked this video and thought it was helpful, then be sure to smash the like button down below. I would very much appreciate it. Also, if you would like to see weekly videos on finance and investing, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day.